time for a StrongBlock update. $3? Are you kidding me? Whatever, you can now migrate your standard Ethereum nodes into an Entangled node pack. Okay, fine, $3.50, but it was like $3.90 yesterday when I was writing this. I had to edit it before I hit record. So basically, for the price of a fondue dinner with my wife, her dad, and Bill Morrison at the melting pot, you can now make 5 nodes. When I first bought into StrongBlock, that would have been $25,000. Saying that like I didn't personally spend $25,000 on StrongBlock nodes. I get it. All crypto's down. Yeah, great. All crypto's down by like a half or even 2/3. StrongBlock is down by like more than 99%. This hurts me here in my heart. So before we get into migrating Ethereum nodes, if you watch my videos regularly but aren't subscribed, please go do that. It'll help this channel grow so I can dig myself out of this large degen-sized hole. And thank you for your support. Migrating your Ethereum nodes. The process is pretty easy. There's a button to the bottom right of your nodes list that says Migrate Ethereum Nodes. You should probably read all of this. This is where they get you. I'm just kidding. It's pretty straightforward. By clicking this, you migrate all nodes at once. Nodes that have already done the max 20 stronger rewards are poofed out of existence. By clicking, you're agreeing to another big block of text that admittedly I didn't read, so they probably own my car now. An interesting new thing I hadn't seen about this before it went live is that you can add to your Ethereum Entangled pack even after it's created. Each wallet can have a maximum of 50 Entangled nodes. After you've migrated your nodes, you can no longer look at them individually. You just have this one progress bar where you used to have a progress bar on each node that would tell you how much life it had left before it had made its 20 tokens. I'm not sure if that means this entire pack will just die off all at once, or if the nodes inside of it will die individually and it'll just be a big surprise each time because you have no way of tracking it. If you hover over this one progress bar, you get this little note that pops up, and mine says, this node pack has accrued 159 tokens out of 460 tokens maximum. That doesn't really add a lot more data to my previous question, so I guess time will tell. I'm a holder forever now, though. I've basically cut my losses. These tokens are worth so little now that my new plan is just to compound them up to 50, and then anytime it says I have less than 50, I'll just make a new one out of the rewards and let these coins stack up forever and ever on the off chance that maybe the price comes back a year from now when they have StrongChain, or when the war ends, or when inflation slows down, or when this whole housing thing figures itself out. And shoot, by then Microvision will probably have a partner, and I'll just be posting daily blogs of myself screaming with joy for 5 to 8 minutes in a big empty warehouse filled with absolute cheer and happiness. I don't think it would be smart to expect the price of Stronger to recover any appreciable amount before StrongChain, or even initially with StrongChain, but at least now there's only one gas fee to pay maintenance and claim. That said, you do still have to pay per Entangled node for fees, so it's not like it's $8 to pay the fees for an entire Entangled node pack. Oddly, I paid $179.79 for fees, $10 of which was Ethereum gas, so $160 to pay fees on 23 nodes. I guess the maintenance fee is $7 per Entangled node right now, and only one gas fee, so that's fine. That's great. When you go to pull Stronger out of the node pack, you also only pay 1 fee, and I only have like 5 Stronger built up in there since I made this thing, but assuming that's across all 23 nodes, and it'll let me pull that out for $9. So that's actually really good news. You're not paying gas per node to pull money out anymore. It's all just 1 fee, 1 time. But we are officially now way below break-even price on these nodes, so if you're going to keep them, you're actually going to be paying to own them each month. That's problematic considering we don't even have a range of dates for the next phase of this thing. If their website is accurate, there are now 584,899 nodes in existence today. And even if they lowered their fee to $7 a month, that means their team is now pulling in $4,094,293 per month for development. I don't know how many people they have working on this stuff, but that is one hell of a budget, and I could pretty easily see a circumstance where investors start to look at that number combined with their recent steep decline in communication as a reason to walk away from this token. It's a pretty tough ask of investors to actively lose money each month. StrongBlock has tweeted only 4 times this month, but they have maintained that we are on the road to StrongChain, so at least not all hope is lost. I had previously categorized this investment as wildly irresponsible, but I'm going to go ahead and move that one more click on the dial to Hail Mary status for now. To be fair, they don't need any particular token price just to exist, and they're getting all that money from node fees to pay their salaries. So if you ask me, it does look like this project will continue as long as there are investors. And due to the sunk cost fallacy, I'm seeing this one through all the way until I can no longer log into their platform.